Hi guys, so today what recipe I'm going to make is chicken gravy. So let's get started. I have taken a pressure cooker. I have added in some butter to that. I'm also adding some oil. I'm adding in the spices. I am adding in bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and star anise. Mixing them well inside the butter and oil. I'm adding in some cumin seeds. Mixing them well in. Allow each of them to cook for at least 2 minutes. Stir them in. Now I'm adding in the onions. Mix the onions well with other ingredients. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. You can see that the onions have browned a bit. Now I'm going to add in some tomatoes. Mash the tomatoes well and mix it in with all the other ingredients. And again cover and cook for about 5 minutes till the tomato is soft and mushy. To this I'm adding in some green chilies. Again mix them in, cook it for a few minutes. Now I've added in the marinated chicken. I have marinated it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can marinate it for some more time according to your taste preference. I mix in the chicken well with all the other ingredients. And now we cover this and cook the chicken on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Here, remember, chicken releases its own water and we have also added curds into the marination. So before pressure cooking, we need to see how much water we add. So it should be less, okay? So add about half a cup of water to this. Mix in well, add the salt and pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles. So your chicken gravy is done. You can have it with white rice, ghee rice, roti, parotta, chapati, anything. So if you enjoyed this recipe, so like and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.